Today, our head chef will show you how to make a Georgian dish called Chashushuli. Start off with slicing some bell peppers. Make sure to use the proper technique of holding the knife though. And let's have our head chef dice up some tomatoes. Let's give our chef some space to work. Lay out all the ingredients for easier access whenever you're cooking. Use a Dutch oven, a kazan, or a deep pot. Stir the meat to ensure even browning. Toss the pieces you don't want. Let's add the onions and fry until they're golden. We didn't need that one anyways. Chef doesn't like too many onions. Bell peppers, diced tomatoes. Use tomato sauce or tomato paste, whatever you have. Add water or beef stock and set it on low heat for 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Let's chop up some dill, parsley, or cilantro, whatever you feel like. There you have it, served with the traditional Georgian lipyoshka, or just bread.